So today we're going to be taking off the passenger fender. And you can see it's all mucked up. So I'm taking this ugly thing off and we're going to replace it. So we're going to be taking off the bolts. There's two bolts at the top here. And then you got the bolts here, here. Got another one at the end here. Alright, then you got to go underneath. Two bolts there. Okay. Under here. There's one up there. There's supposed to be one down there. You can see the hole there, but that's where it went. Should have been there, but there's not one, so. The tricky part here is the hood is going to sag. So you got to be really careful because you don't want it flipping downward and all of a sudden falling over. So because of this bolt, these bolts over here, the hood's going to move. So it's probably in your best interest to use a broomstick or something to prop the hood up while you're taking that bolt out. Otherwise, there is the chance of losing the hood or breaking a windshield, which already happened over here. That wasn't my doing, but I'm assuming that's probably what happened. So yeah, see, I put a bolt in there. I really don't trust the hood from flying forward, so I put a bolt in there to make it just until the other bolts are off. You can see it's not on properly to begin with. It's already loose. Alright, so last bolt out. There it is. As you can see, bolt comes out, and so will the fender. Let's pull it off. This should be okay. It's like pulling the rug from underneath someone's feet. It's disgusting. See, I don't want to move that too much. There we go. Then I have this wire here.
Oh. Yeah.
There you go. It is. But there we go. We got it. And now, show the apron. That's what it looks like. Wouldn't it look better like that? I don't know. It looked kind of retro. What do you think?
I think it looks okay.
Let's find it. Now we're going to put everything back together. I want to make sure that it goes in properly, otherwise you strip it. There.